In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect a GitHub account to Claude AI. This allows Claude to work with your GitHub repositories and makes it easier to manage and review your projects. First, open your web browser and go to Claude.ai, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile name or avatar in the lower left corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Connectors. Now, look through the available integrations and find GitHub. Click Connect next to GitHub to begin the authorization process. A new tab will open and take you to GitHub. If you're not already signed in, enter your GitHub credentials. You'll then see an authorization page showing the permissions Claude is requesting. Review the permissions carefully. If everything looks good, click Authorize Claude. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to Claude and your GitHub account will be connected. That's how to connect a GitHub account to Claude AI. Thanks for watching.